light myself on fire. God damn.
There's one in the middle there that probably isn't popped. Can you see it?
Oh, yeah. Got it. All right. It's broken loose.
Alrighty guys, so we got this side off here and we are going to run to the store to get a new battery for the truck and also some rust killer paint to put on here and these spots, and then we're going to try to get the bed back on the truck tonight, and then that'll be that until next time when we put the new panels on.
Alright.
Alright.
This is basically a temporary fix for it. So since we drilled through and then we also grinded to even everything out, we put this anti-rust protectant, whatever it's called, on it. It's from Rust-Oleum. Just sprayed down everything that was open metal that was sanded down, or pretty much any shiny metal that was on it. It was sprayed down. This is just to keep it, if we would park it outside or anything like that, moisture's inside of the garage. Keeps it from that fresh metal from rusting. So, but I mean, we're going to take the whole truck and get it painted once it's done, or wrap it. We're not sure yet, but this is just kind of like a temporary thing just to keep all that metal from rusting for right now.
She's all lined up. Oh, wait. I remember these from good old episode 1.
When we first started working on it, it would not stay running. It had absolutely zero brakes. And then we started working on it and pulled the bed off of it. It still would not run. And it also had no brakes. Today, it's going to start right up. And it has a bed on it. Frame is completely painted. And it's got brakes. And we're going to drive it around.